What do you want to be when you grow up?
Oh, I feel nice. Most times, yeah, you don't literally need should I say someone to commend you for doing a great job. I say like you feel some satisfaction in yourself for doing the right thing. Okay, so today is Saturday, and should I say another achievement is that I am almost done with my studies. I have only one topic, and by the grace of God, I'm going to be concluding it today. So next month there's going to be new goals, new settings, and next month is all going to be about back testing. And also maybe you're watching some ICT videos, and I'm excited to go on this journey with you guys. So we are in the growth, we're still in stability, we're still in financial cash flow, and that's what we're working through on. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Let's try it again. Zombies. I'm not sure. Okay.
My zombie's face with heart-shaped eyes.
Hello, bro. Good morning.
Hello,
Yes, bro. Good morning. Cake me.
I'm fine. The longest time.
I swear. Let me show you the cake me.
My dear, even I remember how we do this. I am one of the. I'm not tired.
If we ain't send the yesterday. If we ain't send the yesterday. Okay. I send the gum gown.
Wow. Yeah, I can't see the
Access it. Okay. Actually, Miss Iggy, thank you so much. And God bless you for me, okay?
You're welcome, baby.
And thank you for being patient with me. Okay, bro. Thank you so much. Can you send the receipt? Okay, bro. Thank you. Okay, this is my cousin brother. So right now we're going to get the receipt to send to him. Which bank did we use to send the money? I think it's my Wema. I used my Wema to send the money to him. So we're going to be sending him the receipt. He was patient enough to, should I say, not even ask me for it. A lot of people might not even want to ask you for it, you get? But at the same time, you just have to keep uphold your words. Yes, so this is the receipt. I'm going to be screenshotting it and sending it to him. He didn't even know I sent him money. He didn't even know I sent him the money. So the next person we're going to be calling is Jerry. Jerry. Let's show appreciation. I know some of you might not understand English, so I'm going to be using caption English for you guys to hear it out. So, Jerry. Hello, Jerry. Good. Yeah, Jerry. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. How's fun?
Fine. How you doing?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Oh, sorry, I was meaning to ask you. I was like wondering, like, have you seen what I sent you, like the money that you helped me with? Okay, alright. I wanted to say thank you so much. Hello?
But you want to answer what?
No, like I said, the money I sent you. Have you seen it? Like that money that you lent me.
If I saw it.
Yes.
I saw it. I saw you don't answer it for this.
Okay.
Alright.
Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. I want to say God bless you, and may God replenish you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Alright, God bless. Yeah, thank you. Alright.
And you come back to play?
No.
Okay, stay now that way.
I go walk. Alright, take care. Alright, you too. So the next person to go is have to shamelessly chase your dreams. Like the day I was asking them, I was so caught up, and I was like, damn. Hello, baby girl. What's up?
I'm fine. Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
I'm fine. How are you?
Fine. I'm just going through my monthly reflection. I was hoping to ask you. I don't know, the money you helped me the other time. I've sent it back. Have you seen it?
Oh yeah. I saw it since that day. I thought I texted you. Thank you.
Oh, I should be the one thanking you there. Thank you so much, and I pray may God continue to bless and replenish you so much. Okay.
It's nothing down.
And thank you so much for being patient with me.
You're welcome. How are you now?
I'm fine.
What's going on? How's that side?
Everything is fine. I'm managing, striving, and so on and so forth.
Oh, we thank God for that.
Hope you are good.
Yes, so though I lost my uncle last weekend.
Oh.
Hello, Mimi.
Hi guys, hello. Alright, welcome back to this video. It's your girl Mira Forex, and I'm back again with another video. Yes, okay, this is just me. Yeah, I borrowed money for myself and also for transportation for the new job I got. And should I say, this taught me the importance of budgeting and proper plan for unexpected expenses. Okay, this is just me doing what I promised you guys about, should I say, sharing my real forex trading journey on how I'm going about it. Because if you've not watched the video, I think you should go watch it, because this video is going to show you what I'm really doing in this channel. Okay, and how I'm sharing my journey, and how I'm, should I say, sharing some, should I say, more roadmap on how I'm working towards becoming a profitable and a consistent trader as well. So yes, I borrowed money for upkeep, because if you watch that video, maybe when I was telling you guys that I was broke, you guys don't really knew what I mean by I was broke. Okay, so this is just me celebrating every little milestone that I've crossed, moving forward in setting new goals, and should I say, achieving the goals. So I want to celebrate every milestone I cross, because it helps me, should I say, to maintain motivation and also keep me on track. This particular video is just for 4 categories of people. So the first category of people is if you're feeling lost in life and you're feeling like you don't know how to go, or you don't even know how to start. Should I say, first of all, I'm going to be saying the same thing my mentor will always say: you should be grateful that you're feeling lost, because just like the writing I read in my booklet by one of our apostles, I think M. Nelson, he was talking about, so there might be opposition and things, because if you've not felt hungry before, you won't know the need for you to eat. Or if you have not eaten before, you won't know what it is to be hungry. Or if you have not been tired before, you won't know what it feels to be rested. Okay, so if you're not feeling lost, you won't know that you need to be found. And anytime you're feeling lost in life, just know that you're on your way to be found. Okay, so just be glad. The only thing you just have to do is to tune into that should I say, feeling lost, and be curious on what can I learn while you're feeling lost. Okay, so the second category of people are people who are struggling on how they can be able to raise up money in order to fund their forex trading accounts, or they are struggling with inconsistency in trading. Maybe you felt like you know your technicals, but you're still not profitable. I'm telling you, maybe you don't know the importance of having money in trading, but having money in trading will help you a lot, because at the end of the day, you're no longer trading because you need to trade, but you're trading because you want to trade, because you're allowing your edge to play out with a minimum of risk. Okay, trading is just something, at the end of the day, you're looking for ways you can improve in every skill. Is it your risk management? Is it your trade management? Is it your psychology? Or is it your technicals? So psychology has to do a lot with money, because if you're not risking more than what you are willing to lose, why then should you be worried over that trade? And if you're not trading with the holy money you have, why then should you be afraid to let your edge clear out? Okay, this is something I've experienced over time with trading and money as well, and that's why I'm sharing this particular type of video. So I'm going to share the roadmap on how you can be able to get money to fund your own forex trading accounts, because if you watch that previous video as well, you will see that this was the same place I made that decision where I was, should I say, making the biggest mistake of my life. I was whiling away broke in the room saying that I'm going to get rich quick, which was a wrong mindset in trading. So if you go watch that video, you get full intel on how I made the decision to go look for jobs and all the things I said I was going to do that are now making me money now while I'm trading. Third category of people are people who are in debt as I was. Yes, it's possible. Like, do you know, it's only when I started changing my life and mindset. I watched this particular Instagram this podcast. I cannot play it here, but the day that this video will be uploading, I'm going to be posting that video on my Instagram, so you can go join me, follow me on my Instagram, so you can watch this particular post. See, the importance of you working and trading and having other place money is coming out from is important. If you watch all these traders, you will see that all of them are talking about the same thing, where they went through a time of being in debt. Okay, it's normal, so that's why I'm free about sharing it. Okay, a lot of people might have the perspective of, hey, you borrowed this one, that one, I call those things, but I don't really care about it. Okay, the real important thing is learning from your mistake, admitting it, and not repeating it again. Okay, so sharing my own, so maybe people out there can actually resonate with it. So if you've been in that point, just comment it down, let me know what you think about that. So this video, if you're in depth, it's fine, you're in the same journey, but the only thing you need to do is to learn. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can be able to come out of them just the way I was. Okay, so it's possible. The only thing you have to change is your mindset, because if you're able to set clear goals, because yes, goals are important, but goals are there for directions, but process are important for progress. So just having goals without any plan is just like you making a wish. Okay, so you have to have goal and you have to have a plan towards it. So the fourth category of people are people who went through setback in life. Yes, I've gone through setback in life, I'm still on my setback, but it's a time for you to come back better. Okay, maybe because of that period in life where you were not the person that was supposed to be there, because not that you were not the person, but maybe you didn't have the proper mindset in order for you to be in that position to be there. Okay, you know, some people, they might have money, you can make money, but at the end of the day, how to keep the money and how to multiply the money is important. Okay, so you might not be the right person to be in that position, and God is setting you back for you to learn what you need to learn in order for you to grow and build a proper foundation for yourself, which that foundation you build, it is not what you're going to make out of that, but the person you're going to become at the end of what the journey. I've gone through setback, I'm still in my setback, but I appreciate everything I've been able to achieve, even with you guys being my support system, the community, and the rest of the stuff. So yes, in this video, I want to tell you guys you're not alone. So if you're going through setback in life, just know that there's something that God wants you to see in your setback. Okay, so at the end of the day, you have to have the mindset, because mindset is everything. Because once you have clarity, you have focus, and you have specific goal on what you're pursuing, the next thing you have to have is the mindset of being delusional that anything you want, you can achieve it. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I was able to do in order to do all these things. It is okay to go through setback. Okay, allow God use you. Rather, everything you're going through, ask yourself, what can I be able to learn from this thing, rather than lamenting and complaining. Because if it's not happening to you, who else do you expect it to happen to? I don't know if you get it. So enough of the talk, let's just dive into the video, and let me just share with you guys what I mean by being able to do all these things.
So welcome back to this video. As you can see from my voice, I'm kind of sick. I caught a flu, yeah, cold. I started my monthly monk mode strict hard routine. That's showering, cold water early in the morning, and just 2 days I caught cold. It's always like that for me, because I'm very fast in reacting to cold. But yeah, it's not gonna stop me from concluding this video. Yeah, so you guys know about my notion, and like I said that this is the home of all my plans, routines, goals, growth, from big development to small development, light bulb moments and various ideas, trading stocks, investments, and vision reminder. Okay, so this particular video, the one I want to show you guys is thoughts and goals. So this particular video is centered on be, do, have. Okay, something you have to be in order to do for you to be able to have that thing which you want. Okay, so I started this thing earlier May. And I saw the real thing about it and the impact it has on your goals or what you want to achieve, and I chose to stick with it. And it's only when you make the unconscious conscious, if you don't do it, it will control your life and you call it fate. But if you want to achieve something, you have to make it you have to make it visible, like aware, conscious, that okay, this is what I want. Then you ask yourself questions: what are the things I need to do in order to achieve these things? Okay, so I don't know if you guys watched a video of when I was telling you guys I'm going to show you guys my monthly reflection, and I was telling you guys that some things I did not balance, so I can't show you guys because I need to do this in order to grow this. So this particular thing is about paying all those people I owe. Okay, and I'm not ashamed to say all those things because why? This is the real honest thing about this particular video. Okay, being able to do something you have in mind over time, because it was in August I had the plans to do that, but I had to carry it over to September because I wasn't able to do it. Then if you look over all the things I've been doing, how I've been setting goals, that's how I've been able to do it. So right from time, so how I do it every September, I write out how my last month was and then choose some words. Like as you can see, this month is growth and stability. Okay, I need to grow and I want stability in both my trading, content creating, time management, and also my spirituality. So I just encourage myself and then look for possible ways. So first of all, I was able to fund my life account, which you guys saw. I funded their life account and I made a withdrawal. Secondly is buy a book for journal fillings, Bible study, and my YouTube, which you guys saw me when I went to buy stationaries. So buy an extension, which you guys saw me, I bought an extension. Then pay off Ivy, apologize and explain to her, favor Jerry, brother Zubi, and then Elvis, which I just did the calls you guys saw me. So take trades with trading plan and trade management, pay attention to risk management and trade review. Okay, finish up trading plan, study next month is back testing, and which you guys saw in the previous video. And today this video I was like, I may have only one, which I've already concluded. So buy a trading book or growth trading book. I'm yet to do this, so I'm going to carry it over to this. So post up to 6 this month and reach $100 threshold. Mind you guys that I'm able to pay off these debts. I'm not even yet withdrawn from my YouTube. This debt you saw me pay is money I made from my trading and money I made from working my job and other stuff. So then give mommy 100k and hold the remaining. I'm yet to give my mom 100,000 naira because I have where I want to give her the money from. So this dismissed from work, come back home and study, which I do. So this called weekly. I'm yet to do this, but I posted this in the community post. I'm looking forward to doing it. So NSPD every morning. So this is a prayer where I go to watch and pray, and then I'll be following them up little by little. No Instagram for this month until the end, which I did. Then invest in Canva for thumbnail editing. So these are possible ways I want to grow. Invest in Canva. I wanted to grow. They were not accepting my card details, so it's literally not my fault. I don't know why. So why am I saying this and why am I making this video? I'm making this video to encourage you guys that if you're able to set out goals on how you want something to be like and push through it. So in order for you to have what you don't have, you have to be the person you've never been in order to do that. Okay, and being able to set goals will help you do that. And if you go to my general 24 goals, you see that I've achieved most of the stuff I want to achieve, even though there are more things there. Okay, I don't want to go into more details about all that, but I just think everything is just about setting goals and pushing towards those goals. Okay, I don't really know if you got what I'm trying to push out on this video. Monthly reflection is important. You have to do the hard work that is needed in it. And yes, I think in another video I'm going to be making a full video breakdown on how I was able, or a full video breakdown on all the side hustles that paid me money and also how much YouTube paid me, but I'm yet to withdraw which I made from my trading. So if this video was insightful, please give us a thumbs up and like this video, and subscribe to the channel, and watch out for the, should I say, the next video coming up. All right.